Chapter 6. Plants, our green friends. Get ready. Trees, herbs, shrubs, creepers and climbers are different kinds of plants. They are found in different sizes and shapes. All these types of plants are useful to us in many ways. So plants are called as our green friends. Where plants grow. According to the place of growth, plants can be broadly grouped as terrestrial plants that grow on land and aquatic plants that grow in water or near water. Terrestrial plants. Plants grow on all forms of land, such as on mountains, in plains, in deserts, and near seas. Some plants grow on mountains where it is very cold. Plants like fir and pine grow on mountains. Plants like mango, neem, and banyan grow in plains. Some plants like coconut grow in hot places near sea. Desert plants include plants like cactus and date palm. These grow in hot and dry deserts where there is very little or no rainfall. Aquatic plants. Some plants grow in water. They are called aquatic plants. There are 3 types of aquatic plants. Floating plants, duckweed and pisthia are examples of some floating plants. They do not have well-developed roots. Fixed plants, lotus and water lily are examples of fixed aquatic plants. They are fixed to the waterbed by their roots. Submerged plants. Hydrilla and tape grass are examples of submerged plants. They grow underwater. They have small and narrow leaves. Plants, our green friends. Plants are our green friends. If there were no plants, there would be no life on the earth. This is because all foods come directly or indirectly from plants. Plants are the only living beings on the earth that make their own food. We get meat, milk, and milk products from animals, but these animals too depend on plants for their food. Cows, deer, and sheep eat grass. Tigers and lions eat these deer, cows, and sheep. Uses of plants. Plants are useful to us in many ways. Plants give us food. Plants are major sources of food. We get most of our food from plants. They give us following food items. Cereals. We get cereals such as rice, wheat, maize, and sorghum, jowar, from plants. Pulses. We get pulses such as gram, pea, lentil, and pigeon pea from plants. Spices. Plants give us spices like chili, turmeric, pepper, and coriander. Fruits and vegetables. Plants give us fruits like apple, guava, etc., and vegetables like spinach, cauliflower, etc. Oil. We get oils like mustard, sunflower, and groundnut from plants. Beverages. We get beverages like tea and coffee from plants. Plants give us fibers. We get fibers such as cotton and jute from plants. We use these fibers to make clothes and bags. Plants give us wood. Wood from trees is used to make furniture and to construct houses. Plants give us medicines. Some plants like neem, tulsi, and eucalyptus are used to make medicines. Plants give us paper, rubber, and gum. Paper is made from trees. Rubber is obtained from rubber tree. We get gum from babool tree. Plants make the air clean. Plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. In this way, they make the air clean. Clean air helps us to stay healthy and fit. Leaves in plants. Leaves are one of the most important parts of a plant. They are often called the kitchen of the plant, as they prepare food. Leaves of the plants are usually green in color. They are green due to the presence of a pigment called chlorophyll. However, different plants have different types of leaves. They differ in their shapes and sizes. Size of leaves. Leaves are found in different sizes. They may be big or small, broad and long, or thin and long. Broad and long leaf, banana. Small leaf, tulsi. Big leaf, coconut. Thin and long leaf, bamboo. Shape of leaves. Leaves are of different shapes. A peepal leaf is triangular. A lotus leaf has a round shape. A banana leaf is oblong. A papaya leaf is almost star-shaped. And a pine leaf is needle-shaped. Texture of leaves. Leaves have different textures. The leaves of mint are rough. The leaves of hibiscus are soft. And the leaves of lotus are oily, glossy, and slippery to touch. Number of leaves. The number of leaves in plants can vary from a few to thousands. A banana plant has a few leaves, whereas neem, mango, and peepal trees have so many leaves that are difficult to count. Smell of leaves. Different leaves have different smell too. Some leaves have a peculiar smell. We can identify the plant by the smell of its leaves. Leaves of neem, tulsi, mint, coriander, and eucalyptus, etc. are some examples of leaves that have a peculiar smell. Parts of a leaf. Leaves grow on branches of plants, which are attached to the stem. Study the diagram to know the different parts of a leaf. Leaf blade. The broad and flat surface of a leaf is called leaf blade. Midrib or main vein. It is a thick tube of cells in the middle of the leaf. Side vein. They are small tubes that arise from the main vein. Petiole. It is the stalk of the leaf that attaches the leaf to the stem. Stomata. The tiny pores present mostly on the undersurface of the leaves are called stomata. Air moves in and out of the plant through the stomata. Importance of leaves. Leaves are an important part of plants. They help plants to make their food. A plant makes its food using air, carbon dioxide, and water in the presence of sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. Chlorophyll plays an important role in photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Thus, plants make the air clean. Leaves also help the plant to store food. Uses of leaves. We use leaves for many purposes. We use some leaves as vegetables, for example, spinach, coriander, and cabbage. We use the leaves of neem and tulsi as medicines. Henna leaves are used to color hair and decorate hands and feet. Some leaves like banana leaves are used for serving food during marriages. Leaves of some plants like palm and coconut trees are used to make hand fans and roofs of huts. The leaves of the tea plant are used to make tea. We also use leaves to decorate the house during festivals and on special occasions.